Are you ready to witness the future of smartphones? The OnePlus 15 is coming, and it's rumored to completely redefine what a flagship phone can do. From insane performance to cutting-edge AI features, this device promises to be a game-changer. And today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know before its official launch. Imagine a phone that not only keeps up with your daily grind, but anticipates your every move. Yes, the OnePlus 15 is rumored to come packed with advanced AI capabilities that make everything from photography to battery optimization smarter and faster than ever. Speaking of battery, this phone is expected to house a massive battery with lightning-fast charging, potentially giving you a full day of use in under 30 minutes of charging. No more waiting around for hours. OnePlus is taking speed seriously. Under the hood, the OnePlus 15 is expected to feature the latest Snapdragon chipset, designed for peak performance with unmatched efficiency. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, this phone promises to handle it all without breaking a sweat. The display is another highlight, a stunning, edge-to-edge AMOLED panel with an ultra-smooth high refresh rate that brings visuals to life, making every game, video, and scroll an absolute joy. And if you're someone who loves capturing memories, the camera setup is rumored to be nothing short of extraordinary, with multiple lenses, improved low-light performance, and AI-powered enhancements that make every shot Instagram-ready instantly. Performance isn't just about speed, it's about experience, and the OnePlus 15 seems designed to make every interaction feel seamless. From intuitive gestures to adaptive battery management, this phone could learn from your habits and make itself more efficient over time. Imagine opening apps faster than ever, gaming with no lag, and having a device that literally feels like it knows you. The suspense doesn't stop there. Rumors suggest some unexpected surprises in its software, something that could completely change the way we interact with phones. I can't reveal everything just yet, but trust me, you'll want to see it live. Now, mark your calendars because the launch date is approaching, and early leaks suggest it could be unveiled within the next few months. The anticipation is real, and if you thought the OnePlus series was already impressive, the OnePlus 15 might just raise the bar to a whole new level. And here's a little twist for those of you who watch till the end. There's talk of a secret feature that's been kept under wraps, something designed to completely surprise loyal OnePlus fans. Could it be revolutionary AI integration, an innovative hardware tweak, or something entirely unexpected? Only time will tell, but I promise it's going to be worth the wait. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. Trust me, you won't want to miss the full reveal of the OnePlus 15 because it might just change the way we think about smartphones forever. Stay tuned, because this is just the beginning, an experience you'll want to see from start to finish, and that surprise at the end? It's going to blow your mind.